Okay guys, so Monday morning for me here, start of a new week. I've got the programmers all busy working on my projects and on my clients' projects, so it's time to go ahead and start making some more videos. So in this video we're going to be talking about WordPress, or we're going to be installing WordPress. So if you're using regular hosting, then you can follow along with this. You may have already installed WordPress a million times. If you have, really you probably don't need to watch this video. Just all you need to know is go ahead and install WordPress. If you're unfamiliar with it or anything, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy. So I've logged into my cPanel. If we jump across and have a look at the screen, all we need to do is scroll on down to the bottom and find this WordPress app installer. I'm sure you could probably... No, the search feature doesn't work for that, because what this is these Softalicious apps. So just scroll down, find this WordPress app or script, hit that. That's going to take you across to here, and then click install now. Oh, going a bit slow there. So it's important to make sure you haven't got anything in here, because if you have something in here, then it's going to install it in a subfolder. So we want this field blank. This is what I was talking about before, where we want to make sure our URLs for our pages are our domain / and then page name, just to make things a lot easier to find for people on the internet. So make sure there is nothing in that field there. You can name your site now, or you can do it later when we've installed WordPress. It doesn't really make any difference. You would just call this your, there you go, your app name, and then, you know, the best Shopify app for blah blah blah, whatever your app could be doing. So that's the main name, that's like the subtitle. Here, admin account. So it's important to change the username and password, because people try and hack WordPress sites all the time, so they know that this is the standard one. So make sure it's important you change this. Emacs admin, and let's call this Max 2018. Here, the admin email. This email will be the email that's used if you forget your password. So make sure it's an email that you use regularly, or you've got easy access to, just in case you do forget your password. And it's important at this stage to go to your folder where you're keeping all your passwords and all the stuff for your app, and just add it to your password text document. So we'll go WordPress username password. So it's a good idea to save it at this point before we've even installed it, because there's been times when I've made a password and a username, and literally I've forgotten by the time it's installed. So just make a note of it, then you've always got it there in case you forget it. And then I always put recovery email. I always do this. I've bought hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of websites, so it gets confusing and you do forget, and if you're not logging in for a long time, then you may have easily forgotten. Okay, so we've got that saved before we've even installed. Here you can have the login details emailed to you. It's a good idea to do that, just so you've got an email record of it, just in case. Again, go ahead, click install. Doesn't take long to install at all. Less than 3 or 4 minutes, we hope. Okay, so that's done. So here it's given us the login URL, so we'll just copy that and we'll open that up in a new tab, and I'll go and put that URL in there like that. Oh, hang on, didn't copy it. Copy link address. Okay, it's not playing. Let's just copy it from here instead. Put that in there. Okay, so we've got the login URL, username, password, and the recovery email saved before we even installed it. And there we go. That is WordPress installed. Super easy to do. Super quick. Only takes a couple of minutes. And that's it about it really for this video. So I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.